Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations, bringing you a special collaboration video. I'm doing a collaboration with Kelly's Creations. She's going to be doing the swipe technique that I do with the Floetrol, the 4 parts Floetrol and 1 part Amsterdam white titanium white paint. I'm actually doing a large swipe today for me. So this is a 24-inch round Convexo canvas that I got on Dick Blick. They are a little bit more expensive, but they are really, really nice to work with. Okay, so the base paint that I chose to use today for this one is Liquitex Basics Blue Gray. And I mixed that with some Artist Loft white metallic to give it a little shine and to tone the paint down. I think it came out really pretty. So here are the two paints, yes, the Liquitex Basics, Blue Gray, and the metallic. So I mix them to a thin consistency, 1:1 with Floetrol, and then water to thin. You can see how it's pouring off my stick. That's the consistency you want. All my paints are mixed the same way, except for the cell activator, which is 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Okay, so I just want to show you, I taped the back of my canvas here to keep it clean. And we're going to get started here in a minute. I'm going to go through some colors. Artist Loft Ultramarine, Folk Art Purple Flash, Anthraquinone by Golden, Iridescent. This is an iridescent mixture of a paint that I had mixed up for a previous video. That's why I had a lot left over, so I put it into a container. It was like golden aqua and Pebbio very blue iridescent with a iridescent medium, and so I kept that because there was plenty of it. I have Folk Art Color Shift Blue Flash. I have some metallic purple, and this is Artist Loft. I'm going to use some Artist Loft silver in there today, and I might use this light. Not sure if I'm going to use this yet or not. It is, where's my container of it? Oh, I can't find it. Here it is. It's this metallic paint collection, satin finish. This is rose quartz. I don't know, I might use a little of that in there just to lighten it up. So let's get our base paint down and we'll get started here in a minute. All right, if you're new here, please like and subscribe. It helped me out a lot. Go back and you can see some of my swipes. I will post a link to it here. If you're unfamiliar with the cell activator that I use, it is a 4:1 ratio Floetrol to Amsterdam white titanium white paint, and it's a mixture without any oils in it, and this is what gives you the reaction for the lacing in the cells, because I used my palette knife and I'll swipe it. All right, so here we go. I will be right back. I'm going to pour my base coat down. Okay, so I'm just going to pop my bubbles. All right, and now I'm going to decide how I'm swiping this. So I'm just going to lay down my colors. I'm going to probably play some music while I do this and start the process because this may take me a while. All right.